Good morning, it's Thursday, Ilanga Lomkhuleko, and let me talk to you this morning about dreams, all types of dreams. If you think about it, dreams don't have witnesses. So if you're having a dream, I want to witness. There is nobody that is there experiencing the dream with you. Even if in the dream there are people around that are there, they are not having the experience with you. They are not having the encounter with you. They cannot feel what you are feeling in that dream. They cannot know what you are knowing in that dream. They cannot see what you are seeing. They cannot hear what you are hearing. There may be people around. They cannot perceive the atmosphere or the environment. It's a personal encounter. It's a personal encounter brought about by higher forces, brought about by forces, because it can be from good sources and it can be from bad sources. Kukanjalo even with our dreams, our personal dreams. Let us stop looking for witnesses or people that will validate our dreams. They are a personal thing. They are an intimate thing between us and the higher power that is the creator force. They are for you. Your dreams are for you. Therefore, they need to be valid to you. Because the thing is, and some dreams are not meant to be shared. So the other mistake that we make, we share everything in all dreams, but some are not meant to be shared. Because what will happen is you share and you don't get the validation that you're seeking. You don't, you get discouraged. You get laughed at. You get mocked, or, it's very easy for someone to say, dreaming of this, what, So it is important to protect your dreams. Your dreams about your future, your plans, impilo yakho. It is so important to protect those because they are personal encounters. They are intimate encounters for you, between you and your higher self and the creator. If you think about the story of Joseph, if you know that story, he would have those dreams, but to the siblings, it was like, he will become this and this. And if you also look at that story, it also is a reminder, be reminded that your identity and your experiences are not the same thing. You need to be able to separate your identity, who Creator says you are, who Creator reveals to you that you are. You are destined for such and such a thing. You are destined to be endaweni thize. You are this person. That is your God-given identity. And that needs to be separated from your experiences. Because if you think about Joseph and the experiences that he went on to have, if another thing yokuthi, but what have my dreams revealed that I am? What have my dreams revealed me to be? And now ubeke some experiences uzodlula kuzo, being in the pit, being betrayed, being stabbed in the back, being whatever the experiences, failing, making wrong decisions, taking wrong turns, whatever the experiences, pain, trauma, whatever it is just a phase that is a phase in the path of your destiny, of who you are. Your dream and who God says you are does not change because you have had certain experiences. You will have to have certain experiences in order for you to arrive at a certain destiny. So learn also to separate the experiences from your identity, from who you are. We all get the revelation of who we are. It's either you will doubt it, it's either you will seek validation, it's either you will not believe it at all, it's either you will not work You will not live in such a way. You will not do some things. You will not apply things in your life that will lead you, that will channel you towards who you are meant to be. Or you will get tired along the way. You will give up along the way because of certain experiences ozobe ubanazo along the path. Separate your identity. Know who you are. Believe who God says you are. Believe who your higher self says you are. We all have that voice. We all have that higher self. Even if it's called daydreaming, those visions, that thing that keeps coming at you, Guti, but this is who I am. This is where I'm supposed to be. This is where I should be headed to. That is also revelations. It is impossible. But the thing is, we doubt and we don't put in the necessary work and we don't stay the course and we don't separate ourselves from our experiences. We don't look at our experiences and say, what was it developing in me? What was it teaching me? How did I come out in a positive way? Positively. Look at the positives. Look at experiences for what they truly and really are, without assigning blame, without concluding that they were bad and then that is it, without saying there is nothing beyond the experience. Protect your dreams. Don't talk about everything. Don't share all your dreams, because the validation you seek you might not find, and that might make you despair along the journey. Separate your identity, who you are, from the experiences obanazo. Have a lovely Thursday.